When Antony Efrain Rodriguez visited a school in San Fernando, Morazan, El Salvador, he knew that there was a need for new tables and a fresh coat of paint. That's why this senior at UT is raising money to repair it after decades of insufficient funds.
The U.S. was supposed to fix the school or something, but because of the government, they weren't able to, but they fixed like the rest of the other schools. And then I was like, you know what, we can do that, and I don't know, it would be more like impactful.
The school was built in the 70s, but because of a civil war and little money to take care of it, the ceilings, restrooms, windows, and the floor are falling apart.
I know that the greatest beneficiaries wouldn't be me, but the children that study in the school.
152 kids attend the school that houses grades kindergarten through 12th grade.
¿Estás emocionado para ir a la escuela o estar con tus amigos o...? ¿Sí?
Me gusta ir a la escuela.
Rodriguez hopes to raise more money by working with individual students and different organizations like the Central American Student Association. Their goal is to raise $5,000 by spreading the word through Twitter and giving away concert tickets.
I've seen how some of these small communities are like impacted by the school because like they depend on it. Like education is really important over there.
Rodriguez plans to go to El Salvador at the end of May to start the work with the help of his family and the local community. He hopes to have it fixed within a week.
I just feel like if there's a way that I can help, then I'm going to try to help in whatever way I can.
In Austin, Stephanie Molina, reporting Texas TV.